So right now you're seeing an Air Baltic A320. It's just started its pushback. That's right. Oh, I see another Air Serbia. You know, I was gonna film at 15, but my dad told me there was an Air Baltic taxiing. But it's okay anyway. It took a little break there. And this is an ATR 72. And that Air Baltic ended its pushback, and I have a feeling it's gonna start taxiing to the new runway. Everything is hearing about this airport though. And right now it is 14:46. I think we only have about 20 minutes. Well, actually, I don't know how many minutes we got until our flight starts. You can literally clearly see. Okay, oh, it's okay. The pushback truck is literally leaving. The flaps are gonna go down. What the hell? Oh, and it's just stairs. Oh, I see it's a Swiss. Oh, I think it's a different airline though. But I don't even know what probably a Swiss Air. But I don't even know what that plane is. Let's see this Air Baltic move. But it's got to start to get the flaps down. You know, usually planes. Actually, never mind. I'm not even going to talk about it anyway. So just taxi up. Oh, I heard it.
We are calling Turkish Airlines passengers to Istanbul, ECOMOMY and Fliming to Belgrade-Istanbul A306. Turkish Airlines passenger to Istanbul, ECOMOMY and Fliming to the gate A306.
There was an announcement, but we got here before that. So far it's been about 2 minutes since it's still. I have a feeling it's gonna turn on engines. But I have a feeling it's gonna taxi over here because that's the Turkish Airlines gonna go. So I have a feeling it's going to rig or something like that. I don't even know. There it is. I see the wing of that plane, but I seriously don't know what is that airline. It's either a Swiss Air. It literally has Swiss Air. Never mind then. We're gonna still look at this Baltic. There was a bird. What the heck? Oh, never mind. Oh my god, another Air Serbia taking off. How many Air Serbias gonna take off from this video? How? Apparently, but I'm gonna post this video on YouTube as soon as I get back from Belgrade. And then I'm gonna put the original date. Where's it? Bye bye. And it's been like 3 minutes and this Air Baltic clearly hasn't moved yet. Probably the flight just got delayed or something. I think the engine just turned off. I know, I meant turn on, y'all. So there's this vehicle, this random vehicle right there moving around. I don't even, okay. So apparently usually I have a feeling it arrived right now. I think it landed. Oh, the Air Baltic is moving. It's moving. And it's an Air Baltic A320 100 or 300. Okay, so turning around. I have a feeling it's a 300. It kind of looks like it to me. And I have a feeling it's going to Riga. What am I hearing right now? Bye. That was a good plane. I'm gonna take a little break again. See ya.